got this cool 4K dual dash monitor here. It's a camera. It has a very long cord for your back camera right here. It's very small, but it's easy to attach. It's all waterproof. And then here's the front camera, which just attaches to the top there and then faces that way. The screen right here will come up with options for recording and also connecting to your Wi-Fi or phone. You can take it off the mount itself and actually take photos with it, which is pretty cool. You can also have a loop on it. The night part of it is really good quality. The lights from cars won't distort it or anything like that. So this is a very cool 4K camera if you do a lot of driving, scenic, or anything like that. This one's pretty nice.
As you can see, this is a pretty clear camera quality. Everything is pretty vivid. The colors are very vivid. It's actually not that big. If you look at it, it's actually very small. If I zoom out, it's such a small portion of what the screen actually is. And yeah, it's pretty good. It doesn't block anything.